Hello guys, how are you? So in the last tutorial we talked about option number 1, which is task number 1 on data important management. On data important management, we looked on managing and organizing survey points. Then we also looked at surface creation and its analysis. So in this tutorial we are going to look at creating alignments, which is option number 2. Then the other part we are going to create profile designs. So on creating alignments from task number 2, we are going to edit alignments as well as understanding alignment properties. Then on option number 3, which is the profile design creation, we are going to create the profile and also how to edit that created profile. So before you do anything, you have to open your Autodesk Civil 3D, and as for me, I have already opened my Autodesk Civil 3D. So as you can see, this is the surface which we have created in tutorial number 1 of our project. So the first thing, we want to create our alignments from objects. So we are supposed to have a defined center line for us to be able to create an alignment. So what I want us to do right now, we want to unhide the isolated points, the isolated survey data. So what we do, you go on to the prospector here, then from there you navigate to point groups, then from there you expand this button, then from there you click on our point group. Our point groups is a T point group. Then you right click, then from there you open properties. After that you go on to point style, then you expand this, then you go on to basic, you apply. So as you can see, our point markers for our survey data, they've been displayed. Then you do the same for the point label style. You expand this, you select the description for our points, you apply, then you click OK. So then from there, we want to create the center line. Maybe it's a center line for a pipeline, maybe it's a center line for a road, or maybe it's a center line for a railway line. So what do? We want to create a polyline, which is the center line for us to be able to create our alignment from objects. So what you do, you can come here where it says polyline, or you can simply type a short command PL for polyline, then you press enter. Then from there you start to digitize along the points, along your survey point. So this is our first point. Then from there maybe you can come here, then from there I think you can come maybe here, then from there I think maybe you can come here, then from there I think maybe you can come here, then from there I think maybe you can come here, then from there I think you can select here, then from there I think you can come to this point, then from there I think you can come to maybe to this point, then from there I think maybe you can come to the end and click on here, then you press escape. Then after that, as you can see, we have already drawn our polyline, or the center line. So we want I want to make the polyline yellow. So what do? You select the polyline, then from there you right click. After that, you navigate to properties. Then from there, we want to change the color of our center line, which is the polyline. We want to make the color to be yellow. You select the color. As for me, I prefer this color with an index color of 40. Click apply. Then from there, you press escape. After that, this is our center line, which is the polyline. So from there, we want to isolate our points as well as their annotation. So you right click here, any point which you want to right click. Then from there, right click, then you navigate to point group properties. After that, you go on to disable the point markers. As you can see, if you click apply, you can see that our point markers are no longer displayed. Then you do the same for the description, so that it is not displayed. You apply, then you click OK. Then from there, I think you can close this page. After that, we want to create our alignment from objects. So what do? You navigate to this page where it says alignment. You expand this button. Then from there, you go on to where it says create alignment from objects. Then you come here, you select where it says create alignment from object. Then from there, if you come here, it says select the first line or the polyline. So my polyline is this one in orange or yellow color. You select it. Then from there, it says do you want to create the alignment? Press enter. Then from there, do you want press enter to accept the alignment direction. So if I zoom in here, our alignment direction, let us see the alignment direction. Okay, alignment direction. I'm trying to see where is this, but okay, never mind, I'm not seeing my direction, but it's okay. Then you press enter. Then from there, this page, you are going to name the name of your alignment. So I'm going to name it alignment. Then from there, you can select the type. Our type is the center line. Then from there, everything is okay here. Everything is okay. So for the site, we don't have the site which we are working on is just a random sampling on how to create an alignment. Then from there, expand this, you choose the proposed alignment. Then from there, for our labels, we only want the major and minor labels only. So you click here. Then from there, on conversion options, you add curves between my tangents, so that the default radius is 200 meters, and you erase the existing entities. Then you click OK. So as you can see, here is our alignment. Then this is the chain edge or the peg distance, and our alignment has changed its color from yellow to green. So what do we want to do here? We want to edit our alignment so that we change the font of the chain edge. So for the font of the chain edge, as well as the chain edge distance, we want our major intervals to be at, I think, at 30, then the minor intervals to be at 15. So you click on alignment, then you right click, then from there you go on where it says edit alignment labels. Then after that, for the increment here, we want to make our major stations to be at 30, then our minor stations to be at 15. So we are going to change here 15. Then from there, if you click apply, you are going to see the changes. If you apply, already there are changes. Okay, we shall look for those changes. Then you click OK. So for the changes here, as you can see, our major station is at an interval of 30, then our minor station, which is at an interval of 15. So we also want to edit the font of our alignment as well. So what you do, you click on the alignment, you right click, you edit alignment labels, then from there you come where it says style, then you go on to this button, you click on it, then from there you expand this button. We want to make the labels of our alignment to be perpendicular with the tick, so you come and choose this, then from there you come here, then you edit the current selection. Then after that we also want to change the color of our alignment annotation to be white. So click here, change the color from red maybe to white, click OK. Then from there we are going to change the font of our alignment annotation. You click here, then from there you select everything inside this dialog box. So you select everything, then from there you come on to format. From there you change the color to white. After that you choose the font which you prefer. As for me, I'm going to use Cambria. Where is it? Here it is. Then you click OK. Then after that you apply. Then from there you click OK. Then from there you click OK. Then from there, if you apply, you are going to see the changes. The color of the alignment annotation is going to change from this red color to white, as well as the font is going to change to Cambria. If you apply, here are the changes, then you click OK. So you can see our major stations, they are labeled at an interval of 30, then the minor stations at an interval of 15. So this is on how to create the alignment. So we are not yet done. So we want to view if our alignment is clearly displayed in the layout. So you can come on to layout number 1 here. Then from there, if you zoom in, I think you are able to see. So as you can see, this is chainage 0, then this is chainage 30, then this green line is our alignment. So everything is okay. We can come back to the model space. Then from there we want to make the color of our alignment to be yellow. So you click on alignment, right click, then from there you can edit alignment style. Then from there, what do? You want to make the line of our alignment to be yellow. So you click here, then from there you choose this color, you click OK. You do the same for the curve, choose this color with an index of 40, you apply, click here, do the same, OK. Then from there you disable these ones, the line extensions you disable it, curve extensions we disable it, and the warning signs we disable it. Then from there if you click apply, you are going to see the changes. You can see that the color of our alignment, which is in green here, is going to change to yellow. If you apply, you can see that there is a change here. Also, we want to increase the line weight of our alignment. If you want to increase the line weight of our alignment, you can come here, then you change maybe to here to 0.3. You do the same here, change to 0.3. OK. You do the same here, you change to 0.3, you click OK. Then from there, if you apply, you have to apply here, then you click OK. So if you want to see the changes of the line weight, how do you do it? You come on here to customization, then from there you tick on line weight. As for me, my line weight is already ticked. Then from there you can press here, then from there you can come here so that you can show the line weight of the alignment. If you click here, as you can see, our alignment is now in 0.3, as well as our buffer line, which is in red here. I think everything is okay for now. So that is all for creating an alignment from objects. So let us come here. So we have, so for now we have managed to create our alignments, to edit our alignment, as well as to and understanding the alignment properties. So you can minimize this, then you come back to your Civil 3D so that you can see everything. So here is there is a curve here of radius 200 here. So this is our alignment. It is starting from chain edge 0 and ending at chain edge 780. So I think everything is okay on creating alignments from object. Then from there, our next task, we want to create our profile from the surface, and we are going to use our alignment as a reference line. So let us dive into that. What do? You come on to profile here, you then you navigate where it says create surface profile. After that, you have to select your surface, and our surface is surface 1. Then you select it, you add, then from there you select here, then you click OK. Then from there you tick this, then you say everything is okay. Then from there we want to view to create the profile. You come where it says profile view, then from there you click on where it says create profile. Then from there you select the alignment. If you still remember our alignment, we named it alignment here, or you can use this button to select the alignment, then you select the alignment. Then from there our profile view name, I think everything's okay here. Then from there, I think some of the things we can edit them later on after creating the alignment. Then you click next. As you can see, we have the station range, our starting chain edge is 0, then the end chain edge is 780. You click next, everything is okay. Then from there, the minimum elevation of our surface is 1247.83 meters. Then the maximum elevation of our surface is 1248.92. Then you click next. Then from there you click next. After that you click next. Then from there you can say create profile view. Click here. Then it says select the profile view origin. So my profile view, I'm going to place it here, maybe on this page. I'm going to place it here. So as you can see, this is my profile. Here are my elevations, and here is the center line for the alignment. Then here are the existing ground levels of our center line. Then this is the chain edge distance, and this is the title for our alignment. And I think everything is okay here. Everything is okay. So I think that is all on how to create an alignment. But yeah, that is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's clear and straightforward. We will meet in the next tutorial where we will be editing the label styles of the alignment, as well as how to create a profile bands for the alignment, and editing these colors of the profile borders. I think everything is okay. So you can close this, you can minimize this one, you can close it. Then from there you can close this page, then you can click save. I think everything is okay. Thank you for watching this video. We meet in the next tutorial.